and we continue to check on the snow from various parts of our community. Thanks to our reporters, Ashley Luthans shared a look at Gower, while Storm Tracker meteorologist Peyton Counts showcased conditions on Ashland Avenue.
I'm here in Gower, where, as you can see, snow is covering everything. Cars aren't really on the road right now, which isn't very surprising, but the snow keeps falling, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes.
Hey guys, it's Storm Tracker meteorologist Peyton Counts. I am out at Ashland Avenue in the blizzard. It is currently snowing, of course, right now, and it's coming down pretty good. I can barely see in front of me. It is also 18 degrees outside, and it feels like -7. My hands are currently red, and the snow is completely covered the roads. And Ashland Avenue, again, one of the busiest roads in St. Joseph, is covered right now. And this is me walking on the sidewalk. You can just see how deep this snow is right now.